Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you have to open keypad on your BLACKVIEW and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *## 4636 ###, and this code won't work, unfortunately. Maybe let's try once again. 4636 ###. Oh, and now it works. And this is the testing menu. You can see some phone informations here. You can find some other useful stuff like usage statistics of each app. You can see how much time you spent on these apps. Could be useful too. And you can see some Wi-Fi information here. Could be useful. Next code will be *## 2 426 ###, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view some other Wi-Fi connection informations. So yeah, could be useful too. The next code will be *## 225 ###, and this is the calendar info menu. If you have any calendars added, you will see them here. And the last code for today will be *## 06 #, and this is the code which displays your MeID and also email numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.